Okay, this is how I clean tires. This tire on this Volkswagen has been cleaned with a pressure washer, but you can see it's still very much dirty looking. It's got like this ground in dirt, but it's clean. It's been pressure washed, no soap. I use Spray 9, which is this product here. You can get it anywhere. I'll put a link in the comments below. It's a multi-purpose cleaner. You can buy it anywhere, Walmart or wherever. And Trim Shine is an optional treatment if you like a little bit shinier of a tire. I'll show you that it looks good with just Spray 9 use. Spray 9 will make the tire look much blacker, but if you like a bit of a shine without getting too over the top with that glossy Armor All type look, Trim Shine I find works really well, and it's really easy to use. So the first step is to spray with the Spray 9. Use a garden hose too. Yeah, fancy wheels that might do some damage. Be careful. Use it on risk. You can see how that Spray 9 is just melting that dark dirt, grime, road grime, whatever it is. You can see it's just coming right out of the tire. You don't want to let this stuff dry. You want to get it while it's still wet. All gone. Now we'll let it dry. Okay, it's dry. So this is just the Spray 9. You can see it's a much blacker color. I don't mind this look like this. I don't like shiny tires. Just a nice even dark gray. Black works for me. But if you want to take it a step further, sometimes I do this. Trim Shine works really well. No wiping, you just spray it on and let it dry. Dries a little bit duller than that, still a little bit shiny while it's wet, but that's the idea. It seems to last a long time. It doesn't collect dust or anything. It's fairly dry to the touch. It's not a greasy tire dressing, and to me, I just think that's about the best you can do when it comes to tires. Tires aren't supposed to be shiny like paint, in my opinion. Anyway, Spray 9 and Trim Shine for your tires.